We are continuing from the previous video. We are working in the third loop only. Starting with a chain and a double crochet. Yarn over the hook and draw a loop from the third loop only. Complete the double crochet. Keep repeating this technique and finish the row. In close-up, we can observe both top loops on the front, which creates a beautiful texture. Working in back loops means to work in back loop and third loop together. Start with a chain and a double crochet stitch. Yarn over the hook, draw a loop from the second and third loop. Complete the double crochet. Keep practicing and complete the row. In close-up, we can see an unworked loop on the front. This is the front loop.